Breaking news! Recently, in May, researchers have found new evidence and footage of Chernobyl victims moments before disaster. Additionally, scientist Mila Yu gave us an explanation on the situation.
Dr. Miller here will be giving us her helpful insight.
So it looks like the civilians have died from the explosion and the nuclear waste has reached other parts of the country.
Well, you might be wondering why this happened, how it happened, and why nuclear energy is still being used. Well, I'm going to be explaining all of that to you today. But first, to understand how nuclear energy works, we must understand how nuclear fission works. In the atom, when a neutron strikes uranium, the nucleus splits, which releases energy and more neutrons. This chains a reaction in the heart of nuclear power. Nuclear reactors harness this energy. Machines containing uranium or plutonium undergo controlled fission, which produces heat. This heat turns water into steam and drives turbines that generate electricity for our homes and industries. Understanding nuclear fission helps us appreciate the science that powers our energy system. But if you're still confused on the positive and negative effects of nuclear energy, I can still explain those to you. The pros. First, let's set the record straight. Nuclear power is stronger than coal, cleaner than gas, and more reliable in the wind. Just one tiny uranium pellet is about the size of a gummy bear and can generate as much energy as a ton of coal. That's right, a ton. That means fewer mines, less population, and more power from something that fits in the palm of your hand. And here's the kicker. It emits zero carbon dioxide when running. Unlike fossil fuels, which cough greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, nuclear reactors stay cool, calm, and collected. No choking smoke, no carbon overload, just pure and clean. Sounds great, right? But hold your excitement, because here comes the plot twist. Nuclear energy has a dark side, a side we can't ignore. Nuclear waste is the ghost that lingers long after the party is over. The leftovers from nuclear power stay radioactive for thousands of years, which demands careful storage in underground vaults or sealed containers. Handling it wrong, and we've got disaster brewing. Examples like this are Chernobyl, Fukushima, and 3 Mile Island. When a nuclear plant malfunctions, it's not just a minor inconvenience. Land gets poisoned, families are displaced, and entire cities become ghost towns. And then there's the cost, the mind-blowing billions it takes to build nuclear plants. And don't even get me started on security risks. Nuclear material must be locked down tight or else it could fall into the wrong hands. So, what do we do? Is nuclear the key to a brighter, cleaner future, or are we playing with fire? But how is nuclear energy used today? Well, nuclear energy has many purposes. First, it provides nearly 20% of US's electricity and 60% of its clean energy. In space exploration, it powers deep space missions. It also helps preserve food and control pests without chemicals. In my opinion, the best thing to do is to keep using it. It's clean, it's efficient, and it's able to power businesses, homes, and places super effectively compared to any other sort of energy system. All we have to do is work together as a society to prevent big disasters and destruction from coming. Team Nuclear Energy for the win.